Hi friends, this is Assis and you are watching my YouTube channel Define Math. In this video, I am going to discuss how to calculate the compound interest by using without formula. Without formula. Let's see to check the trick. Those who are thinking that to define compound interest is a time taken, lengthy and hard, then this video is specially for them. And the trick for first year, for second year, for third year, for fourth year, and so on. We know that for first year, the difference between simple interest and compound interest is 0 or nil. We know that the difference between simple interest and compound interest is nil for first year. For second year, this is very important. For second year, the trick is 2:1. If the question is asked for second year, then you have to put first 2, then 1. Here asked for third year, you have to put 3, then 1. In the middle, you have to put the sum of 2 and 1, that is 3. For asking fourth year, you have to put first fourth, then last one. Here in middle, you have to put the sum of 3 and 3, 6, and 3 and 1, 4. This is the fourth year trick. For ask for fifth year, you have to put first 5, then 1. In middle, you have to add 4 plus 6, 10, 6 plus 4, 10, 4 plus 1, 5. Then this is the trick. Whatever may be the interest, whatever may be the rate of interest, this is the shortcut trick for second year, third year, fourth year, fifth year, and so on. How to use the trick? Let's see. A question is given. Find the compound interest on rupees 7500 at 4% per annum for 2 years. For 2 years compounded annually. Find the compound interest on rupees 7500 at 4% per annum for 2 years compounded annually. Option are 712, 612, 812, none. I asked, whatever may be the rate of interest, you have to just focus the time period. Here the time period is 2 years. So for 2 years the trick is, 2:1. 2:1. First you have to define 7,400 into 4%. You have to eliminate percentage with 00 and you have to calculate 75 into 4 is equal to 300. Then you have to define 300 into 4%. Percentage and 00 will be eliminated and the result is 12. For 2 years you have to define 2 steps. For 3 years you have to define 3 steps. For 4 years you have to define 4 steps. First the result is 300. You have to put 300 on this side and 12 from this side. By multiplication the result is 612. By addition the compound interest will be calculated and the answer is 612. Don't use the traditional formula. Just remember the trick. For 2 years 2:1, for 3 years 3:3:1, for 4 years 4:6:4:1, and so on. For 2 years you have to define 2 steps and you have to put the value, first value put on this side and second value put on this side, and the addition is the compound interest. second question is given, find the amount on rupees 24,000 at the rate of 5% compounded per annum for a period of 3 years. I have tell that whatever may be the rate of interest, you have to just focus the year. Here the question is given for 3 years. For 3 years the trick is 3:3:1. 3:3:1. And you have to define 3 different value because for 3 years. On the previous question, the question is asked as 2 years, so I define 2 different value. 24,000 and the rate of interest is 5%. Eliminate percentage and 00 and the result is 1200. Put the value 1200 on first. And the second is 5% of 1200. 5% of, just eliminate percentage and 00 and multiply. The result is 60. 60 is on second side. And third side is 5% of 60. 5% of 60 is 300 and eliminate 00 and the result is 3 and put the value on 3 number side and just multiply 1200 3600 60 into 3 180 3 into 1 3 and addition is 3783. But here the question is given, find the amount, not compound interest, find the amount. As we know that the principal and the compound interest is equal to amount. So amount is equal to principal is equal to 24,000 and the amount and the interest is 3783. Therefore the amount is 27783. 27783. Second option. This is the fastest way and the simplest way without using traditional formula to define compound interest. The third question is given, find the compound interest on rupees 5120 at the rate of 25% per annum compounded annually. The third question is given, find the compound interest on rupees 5120 at the rate of 25% per annum compounded annually for 4 years. I have tell, whatever may be the rate of interest, you have to just focus on the time period. Here the time period is 4 years. For 4 years the trick is 4, 6, 4, 1. And you have to define 4 different value for the question is asked 4 years. 5120 into 25%. 25% of 5120 just multiply and eliminate 00 and the result is 1280. Multiply 1280, then 25% of 1280. You have to define 25% of 1200. 32,000 for percentage you have to eliminate just 00 and the value is 320. Put the value 320 into 320. Then 25% of 320. 25% of 320 just multiply 8,000. For percentage eliminate 00 and the value is 80. And the first value, second value, third value and the fourth value is 25% of 80. 25% 80 is 2000. For percentage eliminate 00 and the result is 20. Just multiply each just multiply each. 5120, 1920, 320 plus 20. Look here, 4 number of 20, so the addition is 80. Then add 9 3 12, 113. 9 3 12, 113. Put the value 3 and carry forward 1. 5 1 6 and 1 7. 7380 is the compound interest. Where is the value? The option 4. Option 4 is the answer. This is the shortest way and fastest way to define compound interest without using formula, without using traditional formula. For more videos, like my channel and don't forget to subscribe.